Hello viewers, welcome to the underwater welding world. Today we will be discussing a specific point, how to become an underwater welder. This is a very interesting subject, though what I will be discussing in my video, these are very basic and informations collected from Google and from standards. If you are interested in this career, you can have a kick from these videos. Let us start discussing. While a career as a commercial diver and underwater welder can be rewarding, it is not for everyone. This industry demands total commitment, long hours, extensive travel, a great attitude, and superior work ethic. If you are interested in becoming a commercial diver and underwater welder, then it is important that you be ready for a physically and mentally challenging career. In brief, how to become a underwater welder. Get a high school diploma or GED, get a welder certification, acquire a commercial diving certification, complete your physical exams, attend an underwater welding school, achieve welding skill, achieve diving skills, underwater cutting skills. All these qualifications are required for only one trade, that is underwater welder. What qualification do I need to be an underwater welder? If you believe becoming an underwater welder is right for you, physical, mental, all these healths are very good for you, and you are very interested and curious to accept this profession for you, then these are the minimum requirements you will need to possess. High school diploma or GED, ability to swim, mechanical aptitude, commercial diving certification, AWS certified welding training. From now, I will be discussing the very common FAQ, frequently asked questions, or the questions come in your mind about this underwater welding. How do underwater welders, they are inside the water working with electric current and not getting shocked? As for now, the diver doesn't get electrocuted. The key is in the thick layer of the gaseous bubble that the flux or the external coating of the electrode creates to cover the weld and shield the electricity from water, corrosive gases, and other oxidizing compounds. What are the cost and financial aid required on the way to become as an underwater welder? There are many costs associated with obtaining the required certification to become a commercial diver. Financial aid for those who qualify in the form of grants and loans can assist you with the required cost of underwater welding training. Here are some typical costs associated with this certification: tuition, registration fees, room and board, books and equipment, dive physical. Is it hard to be an underwater welder? Underwater welding requires a great amount of skill, as it is a very physically demanding job with a high degree of technical complexity. As such, the industry will continue to demand higher quality standards for underwater welds and more certification and underwater welding systems and personnel. In order to become a certified underwater welder, you will need formal underwater welding training from an accredited dive school and pass their program in accordance with the American Welding Society D3.6 standard. What kind of welding is used underwater? What is another name of underwater welding? Underwater welding, also known as hyperbaric welding, it is the process of welding at elevated pressure, normally underwater, but it could be dry and The outside water is in a pressure chamber. The welding can either take place in water itself, known as wet welding, or in a dry pressurized enclosure, known as dry welding, with steel being the most commonly welded material. How long does it take to learn underwater welding? 6 months to 2 years? After you have both your welding and commercial diving certification, you can enroll in an underwater welding program, which can take anywhere from 6 months to 2 years. Do underwater welders make good money? Yes, of course. This is the golden world. Underwater welders can earn some serious money. With the proper experience, you can easily take home over 100,000 US dollar in a year, according to divers and diving school representatives. Most can earn between 25,000 to 80,000 annually. What is the highest paid welding job? Rig welders are some of the highest paid welders, averaging about 77,000 US dollar per year, but they often work long hours under challenging conditions, since mistakes in these types of welding jobs could spell disaster. Only the very best welder are considered for these sought after positions. Is underwater welding in high demand? That means the career opportunities. Underwater welders are almost always in demand. Aging infrastructure, new infrastructure, and increasing offshore drilling projects continue to drive the need for skills, experienced underwater welders, both inland and offshore. Where do underwater welders work? Underwater welders work in remote and dangerous locations such as offshore oil rigs and pipelines. Is there any age limit to underwater welding? Though you cannot see many underwater welders over age of 30, but there is no legal age limit. As an older person, you have advantages in professional work experience that those youngins don't. Do underwater welders get shocked? Dangers of underwater welding. Explosions can happen when hydrogen and oxygen gases mix and build up in pockets. Electric shocks, often the biggest concern when dealing with water and electricity, particularly when inexperienced welders don't use direct current, that is DC, to supply power. What is the death rate of underwater welding? 15%. They are needed to repair equipment and vessels that cannot be pulled ashore for routine maintenance. Underwater welding is a lucrative profession that offers the opportunity for travel and adventure, but it also one of the most dangerous jobs in the world. In fact, underwater welding has a 15% of fatality rate. What are the three gases used to weld underwater? Trimix is a breathing gas consisting of oxygen, helium and nitrogen, and is used deep commercial diving. During the deep phase of dives carried out using technical diving techniques and in advanced recreational diving. So the gas mix is trimix. Finding a school. When you want to be an underwater welder, you must go through a proper school which must be approved, because this is a matter of life and death of the welder if you not learn it properly. A commercial diver certification requires significantly more training than a standard recreational scuba certification. As a certified commercial diver, you are trained to work in industrial environments that frequently involve heavy construction and dangerous working conditions, including electrocution and pressure-related injuries. Commercial divers receive the specialized training that allows them to work in a wide variety of environments, from inland dams and bridges to offshore pipelines and oil rigs. For the welding school details, please refer to my video Underwater Welding Schools. That's all for today. Hope you got some idea to be an underwater welder. What are the minimum requirements you must comply? It is very hard, but the result comes out is also very sweet. This is a very big and handsome salary in this profession, and you can retire at very early age, less than 30. So please consider this if you are young. Thank you. Wait for my next video in this series. Hope you will be with me. Please share and subscribe and like my video. Signing off, Showman.